Agree to everybody. Talking about Ogechi Okeke Njaka's arrest. This morning, someone, since I didn't have her permission to play her voice note, maybe in subsequent broadcast or post I'm going to make, I will be posting her voice note. Let me remove this jacket. She sent me a message. This is one of the women, top strong women. I'm not going to mention where she belongs because she's in the social media with, I don't know that she's, let me not just say, she's in the social media. So what she sent on the post is, Reverend, long time. This is Ogechi Okeke Njaka you have been supporting. I think you have been arrested. That Ogechi insulted me. And you have the guts to be defending Ogechi, supporting Ogechi, blah, blah, blah. She was just telling me. I just laughed. So now that I'm making this video, I never wanted to talk about this arrest. I don't want to get involved. But since I was somehow involved in when the battle was between him and J-Pac, and my involvement, it was to come and broker peace between both of them. Some people misunderstood it, which is normal. Anybody who's on this social media will not expect everybody to be at peace with you. Some will misunderstand you, some will understand you, some will support you, some will not support you. So I'm only making my post based on what I feel that is good for me and for my conscience, and for those who share the same view with me. So what am I trying to say? It was like people said that I was supporting Ogechi. No, I was simple at the middle of brokering peace. Because I first of all called on Ogechi when the problem between him and J-Pac started. I called Ogechi, say, Ogechi, listen, please, can you guys leave this saga? Ogechi he said, no, don't go there. When he was using my personal picture, none of you came and told me to do this and that. She wouldn't want me to talk. I told her I made a video and asked and said that anybody who used the picture of your father, late father, to do anything is wrong. I condemn it. The same way I condemn you also making video of somebody let you find your back. So I condemn both of you, but I now ask for peace to reign. Let us conflict that we shouldn't be aganeju saga mbeni na marandi Igbo na this area. That was my own angle. I said, let's not always be known for Shaga. Please, Ogechi, calm down. That was the first video I made. Nobody listened to me. I joined Ezugo Global Life. He will be a witness here. I think I tagged him in this video. I joined his life and pleaded with Ogechi, please. He said nobody should, that the saga must continue. Then when I discovered that the Ogechi cannot be controlled, that she was bent on firing on J-Pac, I now diverted to J-Pac. Making calls. I called severally. J-Pac, I'm not comfortable seeing we in the Igbo content creators. What we are doing is saga on social media. And I say, one of the way to silence Ogechi, J-Pac, don't respond to any of his claim. Even if you accuse you of anything, don't respond. Because I made that call severally, dropped the message, and one of the wife picked, he said he was taking shower. Said, Biko, J-Pac, asakwala Ogechi. Happy. They're not going to answer. I was happy. All of a sudden, the next day, J-Pac came out, and then next time don't answer. I want to disappoint you. I'm so sorry. I will disappoint you. That was how I got angry. So yeah, J-Pac, I'm not happy. So I now came and made a video. So J-Pac, since he refused to go now, here, what's his name? Skibo now go to that now. J-Pac was wrong. Also, when a man talk too much. So have you seen that refute now? What is causing? Simple, keep silent. Nobody will know what you have in mind. When you got my hina chiku. That was what I told him. Say, okay, since each arena refute, let the saga continue. Onye biara quote and who am I supporting? I'm not supporting. I have from the beginning, when I hold the first video to know that I am just neutral. As a father, I advise Ogechi, don't go. Gaga. Only don't respond. Yes, sure will respond though. It's okay. How fire was there? Go get your fire where there. Because how Mama Ogechi will fire him. Now, offer that was how I got involved in this saga. Now, bringing it down to this particular arrest, I saw the post Governor Zoku made and said something that I like so much, which is true. Us no Ogechi Batra Nigeria. No one went silent in a very low key. May your name may latch back that he wouldn't have known or he wouldn't have, even though allegation are put on him. And for me, I share that view. I share that view. And we now see, only a monopoly of violence. And the button now turn. Oh no, you on you today. Tomorrow it might be on the other person. Ogechi made a mistake. So I don't blame. I don't like to blame Mado. Mbaka when trouble. But then I made it because of somebody be not fine. Now I'm now support. I am not supporting anybody, but I pray for peace to reign. Ogechi made a mistake. This was Ogechi. I know some people who called me because they thought the money and Harukon and my movement simply couldn't one and not Nigeria. Say it's obvious that na HRH. Oh my she knows. Can you game? Bible say, so ndị Igbo say, onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche. Immediately you came back, quietly move on to wherever you want to stay. All those bragging, I'm Nigeria now, I'm Ebedota. Now mention your location, my dear brother. You are daring a lion. You don't do that. Ne, Ogechi, you met another one. You are simply daring a lion. Oko no nyene when you hug me. Ya going to know. Ya would go that million. Ya walk a million. Give one in a hotel do to her. May Paula there. Then have a there. A bit of stress waggy. But I see better so many video. Don't even mention anybody in the or the enemy you can come to all this and this location. No, don't disclose the location. Make your video. Sometimes some people should know first your battle line. Don't attract trouble when there is none. So I condemn Ogechi's action of making video, calling people, insulting them, telling them the location as well. In as much I know, she will come out. But at least this particular arrest goes together now. Nobody is indispensable. Nobody is a monopoly of trouble. Because if God has given you opportunity, don't feel that the other person is going here. Or they can work. This is a lesson. Should be a lesson to some of you that support some of us online. That's why I'm not moved by your praising. I'm not moved by your support. Because when trouble comes, nobody will see you. I saw a video made by Waja. All the people that were praising Karisa, but none of you have gone to go and see him in that particular custody. Of course, some people are afraid. And maybe if they get that, they will get them arrested. But all the same, Ogechi shouldn't have started making video. Now, maybe you can even make some record of video of your location when in Nigeria. You like back to America or any other place, or if one that location. You make videos, I try to get man, all wisdom. All wisdom. You don't just dare your enemy. You don't just die feeling they do too much. I'm in a Chekwagi army with a limitation. Police with a limitation. They too, they need their security. So Ogechi, I condemn that act completely. That is what led to this arrest. Number two, give me the based on from Ogechi's side, but based on report, Governor Ezokunyene, they were calling him, telling him that now report they are not there, not declare wanted. So if that go get a hand with a problem. Declare 1 year, wanted. Do your business, finish your business, vacate. Not going to live and in here live key name and will not record a video. That means they know that at that point that they are there. But so I strongly condemn her attitude of boasting on social media and also revealing her location. I strongly condemn it. I strongly condemn it. The lesson I want to learn in this anymore, nobody is above mistakes, one. And when the mistake happens, please face the music, the consequences. That's the truth. Welcome, sir. Welcome, man of God. The great man of God that gave us the revelation that shake the whole world. Welcome. That's my own friend, Reverend Dr. Ephraim Ononye, JP. So I'm trying to say, JP, I know that maybe, I don't know, Ogechi, people were calling me, somebody was telling me message, the woman you are supporting, we have arrested her, that the woman assaulted her. One of the women I respect so much, a very powerful woman in a particular field. For that woman, we are here to get with her in America. But right now, she's in Nigeria. She sent me a voice note that, Reverend, this is Ogechi you have been supporting. She has been arrested. That she's gonna spend her money and her connection to make sure he deals with her. And I said, I didn't respond to her, but I said, let me call live. Because people have been saying, also expecting Ogechi, you are so. I am not supporting Ogechi, neither am I supporting JPAC. I was simple at the middleman crying for peace, Doreen, that both of them are our brothers. JPAC is my brother, Ogechi is my sister. Let there be peace. That was what I came on to do. When I told you for peace could not reign, I was angry with JPAC, my junior brother. I advised you, you refused to hit my advice. Now you have caused that particular trouble to escalate. That's my own. For me, I tried as much as I can to stand on the truth. Please share this video and tag as many that are involved. So she came back while revealing her location, came back boasting about her. Come and see me, come on. It is wrong. No matter whatever you are. Now you have revealed they are arrested. In as much they can still catch you. But the little time they wasted on you now, putting you behind the bars or sorry, it's not, you don't watch it. Something, you are losing something. But does he watch it? My brother Ononye, does he watch her giving herself out like that? Creating unnecessary tension. I didn't say she's deliberately. She simply thought maybe nothing can happen. Even when somebody, it's just like Ijele. When Ijele was making mad, he has all the connection. Where is he today? See, social media, if you don't handle social media activity very well, it can buy you, it can put you into shame, it can disgrace you. Today, we are the story of Onyoze Jesus. Where is he? Whatever that is happening to him is based on his activities on social media. If you want to tell yourself the truth, where is Onyoze Jesus? Because so many of us don't want to learn. Because so many of us, we come out to put out something that doesn't, I don't know how to put it. Where is his jelly? Whatever that is happening to him, what he did on social media. As many, where is, just tell me anybody that is having some issue now, we got to know them through social media. What you put in here can make you or destroy you. We have to be very careful. Anybody who is carried away by praise thinkers will definitely live to regret his action or her action. That's why I'm not moved by followers. Hey, move on, Jovika, this, don't praise me. Come and do my things and move on. And some of you viewers, fans, all the fans that were praising her, none of you have decided to identify with her now. Just like when Nigeria was bragging, he would buy everybody, he would do this. Where is Nigeria now? Where is he? I feel for him where he is. Because tomorrow he's my Igbo brother. I feel for him. I've made a video calling them to forgive him, let him come back. But what is holding him is bigger than him, and that is what he brought upon himself. Please, as you're watching me, as I'm talking, I am not. Tomorrow can be my own turn of the arrest, because I know the federal government may one way or the other being angry with me because what we're telling them is wrong. But that one is a different case. It's just like Sowore being arrested. Sowore being arrested, he's arrested for saying the truth. But not when you run people down. You can't be a saga. You are known for saga. What people? Thank you for the likes. Share the video. Not when you go consistently take people, making the social media space to be so violent. It's not fair. Ndị Igbo, biko, there are better things we can do. There are better things to do on this blue app. Many other people in this different country are making their name known, making money, making different things. But in Igbo, here now go saga. Only run down. Let me tell you, when you establish your page by running people down, you could never remain to keep running people down to continue. Any day you stop it, that page will start going down. That's what people don't know. Yes, I know that when you start doing the right thing, followers and viewers will not come. But keep on. It's just like this, my page now. Some of you that are watching me now and are not following me here. But I don't care. But any day I run saga on anybody or I talk about the individual. Look at, this is the first time I'm having, like, except one day I had about 30 something. But this is the first time I had up to 11 people watching me on this new platform. Ever since they hacked my Jovika TV. This is the first time up to 11 people watch me. Because I'm talking about Ogechi. But when I want to talk about something that would be good for us, thank you, good morning, bro, Emeka, Ogechi Emeka. They won't watch because of it. So for me, I will not, because you don't follow me, you don't want to share my video, I start begin to run people down so that you can like me. I will never try that rubbish. So if you want to be yourself and grow your pay without running people down, it's a business. If you don't want to keep on, let them know you with the saga, queen of saga, it's okay. Whatever happens, goes around, comes around. When Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, Ijele was publicly telling that he let him buy there. Okay, divine. But he has apologized over that particular statement that he talked about IPOB. He has apologized. They accused him of what he did on phone. He also give them back. Also came and apologized. Let's not keep holding people. Whenever there's a mistake, you hold tenaciously on the mistake without remembering that the person, he has apologized. He didn't say that IPOB is a threat or whatever. What he said is wrong. He has apologized about it and so forth. Let's forget about him and move on. I don't support anybody. I support Igbo. So, and I support goodness, kindness. So, you are my brother. I will Igbo. No matter how close I am with you, I will say this is not the right thing. Like I'm condemning Ogechi's action. She exposed herself for this arrest. Omete here. Omete here. What are you bragging for? Just do your video. You go back. When you go back, you upload video. The people who think you are still dead, you have gone. You don't just say, I'm not happy with the arrest. I'm not also happy with the action. Then now go to J Park and other people. Saga. It will also be your own turn one day. What goes around comes around. Because the same saga getting about J Park and Abakwaya. Mara, he's supporting J-Pack. So Bruno B, Oto Tono, Ogechi today, it will be to your turn, except you do the right thing. Don't run people down. Don't accuse people something that is not true. Don't. Stand on the truth any day, anytime, so that whenever you are called upon, you will maintain the truth. This video is not going to be too long. I'm only making it, those of you sending me a message, you are the woman you are supporting. The woman, I'm not supporting anybody. I'm simply supporting what is good. Why I spoke against JPAC was, I advised him, don't retaliate, don't respond to Ogechi, so that peace will reign. He ignored me. I became angry. That's it. I'm not supporting anybody. I support what is good. So this is my stand about this saga. If you have your question, ask me, let me respond. So Ogechi didn't do well. He came back, rest, cool down. Don't go abuse. And why attack the Igbo TV here? Although he has left the platform. Why attack him? I saw the video he made. Ogechi is in Nigeria. Attack those people who say when he comes, they will be arrested. My dear brother, you are simply also joining to expose that to our location. You are simply joining to expose that. It's not fair. Let's not. I can't boast of anything. I know that tomorrow, if I'm coming to Nigeria now, I can hardly declare my movement. Because only people know that social media will only hero, except you are not making impact. As long as you are making impact on social media, you have only hero. Only hero guy can be anybody who you don't even expect. So the best thing we play safe. Only government now won't do Nigeria government now. Maybe I don't know what I'm saying. Oh yeah, some people don't got the truth. You know the soon as of freedom. I know that how many money you know, but tomorrow they are my brother. I'm not getting equal. n'igbu onye Igbo ibe m, mana aga m awọchịkwana onye Igbo ibe m abịa gbuo m before egbuo m, mmadụ ga-eso m aga na mmụọ. That is my own stand. Chineke ekwele ka aka m kwafuo ọbara, mana any day mmadụ ga-asị ka ọ kwafuo ọbara m site na amara Chineke. I pray onye mmadụ ole ga-eso m ala n'ili, because I will not come and start disclosing my location in as much as I may be live in some area to do my normal program, because I must come to do my program. So my preaching engagement crusade. So if you want to come to crusade there, yeah, ekpere m na wish mbụ ị ga-enweta m. Ọkwa na inwe bara na inweta m gbaa m ịgba ogene before m na-aga n'ime mmụọ, mmadụ abụọ na atọ ga-esorịrị m aga. That has been my prayer and my wish. Agụma achọghị okwu, because onwe ihe mere gị na ihe m gwara gị ihe mere wụ ihe ọjọọ. Anụ abịa agba saga, anụ eme mmadụ attack, but I tell you, I condemn what is wrong ị mere. Ihe ọla na-aka ọsọrọ ala Igbo agaghị n'iru. I will come and say it because I am onye Igbo unapologetic. Well, okay, divine, that is your own decision. He said JPAC should go and find something to do. Facebook money is not money, my brother. He is making this Facebook money. Anywhere you want to make money, Facebook money is money. Facebook has many of our people. Some of these our boys that will be doing Yahoo now, they are making money from Facebook. I say it's not money. Is it because you don't like JPAC? Untouchable. Will you go and tell Untouchable to go and find something doing? Untouchable that is rich, Flower Boy, all these content creators, they make money from Facebook. Why is their own money? Why is JPAC money different? Let him do the business he's doing. He should only avoid running saga, accusing people unnecessarily. That is my own. Because if he keep doing it, one day you'll be your turn. So don't tell me that creating money is not money. It's more okay. It's a money ritual money that is okay. The money that is money. Okay, divine. Is it okay the money that is money? Or you keep the cake, you know, simple tell him to do his business. Facebook is money, and let him not run anybody down. How good advice he get here? I will go and look for something. What would he want you to go and look for do? What was he doing before? Was he paying? He started doing Facebook, became popular, made money. He told him now go and leave the business. I better go. You don't know what is good for you. Something good that is doing that is good for you, do it. The only thing, avoid running people down. That is my own. So Ogechi didn't do well by exposing her position. Honor her, Ifanye. How bad Bele won't buy me? Honor her. How? Because I said Ogechi did not do well by exposing her location. And she got arrested. Is it the Balbale? Can you just tell me? Can you just make a comment? They don't know about life. How bad Belena won't buy me? If I'm not now America, God is helping me. Can you help Belena? Okay, divine. He's not a content creator. Well, that is your own judgment. But people who like him and like what he's doing online is feeding him, taking care of him. That's it. When you support people, unu one supporter. I don't know what your reason for calling me bad belly. If you are supporting Ogechi, supporting her. But when she does wrong, still not the wrong. That is me. If you are supporting, okay. Thank you, Noah. Fine. If you are supporting JPAC, support him. Don't support him when he's even wrong, because that wrong guy in trouble gave me. He got to go on social media. We stand by JPAC. We find out. No, it's not done that way. Look, I thought you were talking to me. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. I know how you find it. You know people that create content, but whatever rubbish he's creating, there are people who love him. And you making money out of it. Do your own and make money. All I pray, let him not violate another person's right. Let him not insult people. That's all I'm saying. That's me. Thank you guys for watching. At this time, I'm gonna leave. Share this video. Tag anybody that is responsible. There's also a video Governor Ezoku made. I don't like that video. That's why he was hitting chairs. Almost solution. After the arrest. Don't brag about anything. Things can change tomorrow. The bad thing can change. That even when today doesn't mean you must have it tomorrow. I support him without bragging. No, I don't like it personally. Don't brag. When that you have it today, don't brag. Because tomorrow you don't know what will happen tomorrow. That is me, my own. Let's all be on a. You have arrested her, good and fine. I condemn her action that brought about the arrest because she would have minded her business. You don't do saga, even when you're in Nigeria, again about saga. Okay, Brent Jota is gifted in that area. Everybody cannot be Brent Jota. It has some people who come and tell me, hey, look at the Father Mbaka, you are a priest. Why not do your own? I can't do, but I'm Jovika. Brent Jota is Brent Jota. Why Brent Jota about? Why will he be? America Brent Jota or wala imitation or wala fake? It has to be JPAC. It cannot be me. It has to be your own. Be your real. His own is to God. You can see the advert on a make. You saw him the other day on China. What made him to be in China is because he's on social media. You saw him the other day being an ambassador to Ula Haruna Abba. And you're here saying that he should go and look for work. My brother, now you will go look for work so that you don't go to feel bad. He is doing very well, and as long as he putting food on his table, he's not committing any crime. My brother, you can't stop him. That is my own. All I wish, let them not be tagging him with bad name every time. Saga. That is my own. My JPAC go, he's not my enemy, he's my brother. He should not fight his own brother. Who again? They should just play their card without running other persons down. Here my stand to tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. I love you guys. Bye bye. Do you have any other thing to say?